Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Live. Today is 25th April. Here I will discuss all the important questions that may be asked from today's current affairs and important facts related with each question. So watch the video very carefully and try to answer the question asked at the end of the video. You can download the PDF of the latest current affairs from the link provided in the description. You can also download the PDF from our website as well as Telegram groups. Also, you can find the link for the Hindi version of this video in the below given description box. The link for the Hindi current affairs is given there. Before moving forward, let's check the answer for the question asked in the last video. Volcanoes that erupted in historical times but now are quiet is called dash volcano. The correct answer is option A, dormant volcano. Now, let's begin our session for today. Here comes our question number 1. RBI sold its entire stake in NABARD and NHB to government for dash. The correct answer is option A, rupees 1,470 crore. The Reserve Bank of India has exited the National Housing Bank and the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development by selling its entire stakes to government for rupees 1,450 crore and rupees 20 crore respectively, making them fully government owned now. RBI sold its stake in NHB on March 19, while it sold the stake in NABARD on February 26. With this, the Government of India now holds 100% stake in both the financial institutions. The background is divestment of RBI's stake in NABARD and NHB has its basis in the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee 2 and the discussion paper prepared by RBI on harmonizing the role and operations of development financial institutions and banks. Now let me share a few more informations about NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is abbreviated as NABARD. It was founded on 12th July 1982. It was established on the recommendations of B. Shivaraman Committee, that is by Act 61, 1981 of Parliament. It is headquartered at Mumbai. The chairman is Harsh Kumar Banwala. The purpose is to develop aid and poverty reduction. It replaced the Agricultural Credit Department and Rural Planning and Credit Cell of Reserve Bank of India and Agricultural Refinance and Development Corporation. Now let me share a few more informations about NHB. National Housing Bank is abbreviated as NHB. It was founded on 9th July 1988. It was established under the National Banking House Act 1987. It is headquartered at New Delhi. The managing director is Sri Ram Kalyanaraman. Purpose is financial institution for housing. Heading to our question number 2. What is the theme of World Malaria Day 2019? The correct answer is option C, Zero Malaria Starts With Me. The theme of World Malaria Day 2019 is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. World Malaria Day is an international event observed every year on 25th April to spread awareness about malaria disease globally and to promote efforts to prevent malaria around the world. Now let me share the history of World Malaria Day. World Malaria Day was developed from Africa Malaria Day, which was first held in 2008. It is basically an event that had been observed since 2001 by African governments. at the 60th session of World Health Assembly, a meeting sponsored by the World Health Organization in 2007, proposed that Africa Malaria Day will be changed to World Malaria Day to identify the existence of malaria in the countries worldwide and to bring awareness among people globally to fight against malaria disease. The fact about malaria is a mosquito-borne infection disease and is caused by Plasmodium parasite. The parasite can be spread to humans through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes called malaria vectors. There are only 5 types of Plasmodium causes malaria in humans, namely Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, P. ovale, and Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium novelizii. Malaria is preventable and curable, and increased efforts are dramatically reducing the malaria burden in many places. The estimated number of malaria deaths in 2017 at 435,000 remained virtually unchanged over the previous year. Moving to our question number 3. Which Indian company introduced a platform for wholesale cryptocurrency trading? The correct answer is option C, BuyUcoin. BuyUcoin, second oldest cryptocurrency exchange company in India, introduced a new and unique platform for wholesale cryptocurrency trading. This platform works on free trading model, which means it charges zero fee on any trade. This wholesale platform, also known as OTC, that is over the counter desk, allows user to trade on a large scale with low price fluctuations. This new platform will help to improve the problem of liquidity of cryptocurrency in Indian market. This will also help in quicker transactions, better prices and market stability. Now let me share few more informations about BuyUcoin. The type of business is private. It was founded on June 2nd, 2016. The founder is Shivam Thakral, Devesh Agarwal, Atulya Bath. Moving to our question number 4. Which bank becomes the first destination bank to launch debit card based e-mandates on NPCI's e-mandate API platform? The correct answer is option A, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank is the first debit card based authentication solution on NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India's e-mandate, that is electronic mandate API application program interface platform, first ever destination bank to go live with both net banking and debit card based e-mandate authentication. The main objective of this initiative is to enable Kotak customers to create electronic mandates similar to the former eNAC with Aadhaar plus OTP, eNAC Electronic National Automated Clearing House, OTP one-time password via both debit card and net banking provision. As API based e-mandates are customer friendly, fast, frictionless and paperless, the initiative would help in making its customers' lives hassle-free for handling recurring payments. E-mandates are quite advantageous over physical mandates because of their security benefit, pricing, operational efficiency and turnaround time that have. Moreover, e-mandate will work efficiently across client segments, namely banking, NBFCs, that is non-banking financial companies, insurance, utility companies, mutual funds, OTT, that is over the top, e-commerce and educational institutions. Now let me share few more informations about the Kotak Mahindra Bank. The industry is banking financial service. It was founded on February 2003. The founder is Uday Kotak. The headquarters is Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The key people are Prakash Apte, Chairman, and Uday Kotak, the MD and CEO. Moving to our question number 5. Which bank receives NCLT approval for merger with Bharat Financial Inclusion? The correct answer is option D, Indusind Bank. National Company Law Tribunal approved merger of private sector lender Indusind Bank with Bharat Financial Inclusion, a microfinance company. Last year, Indusind Bank received no objection from Reserve Bank of India, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. As per the report, the merger is expected to complete within 2 to 4 weeks. Bharat Financial will become a subsidiary of private lender. Indusind Limited's share price is currently at Rs 1,686.85, up by Rs 32.25 or 1.95% from its previous close of Rs 1,654.60 on the BSE. The current market cap of company is Rs 99,750.17 crores. Now let me share few more informations about Indusind Bank. The industry is banking financial services. It was founded in the year 1994. The founder is S.P. Hinduja. It is headquartered at Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The chairman is R. Sesha Sai. Moving to our question number 6. Which country successfully tested the world's first floating nuclear power plant? The correct answer is option B, Russia. Russia has successfully tested the world's first floating nuclear power plant, Akademik Lomonosov. Reactor of the floating atomic block were launched in November 2008. Akademik Lomonosov was built at the shipyard in St. Petersburg since 2008 and was last summer towed around Scandinavia to Murmansk, where the uranium fuel elements were loaded into the 2 reactors, and testing now has been going on for nearly a year. The plant will be towed out of Murmansk towards Pevek along the northern sea route during the sailing season 2019. Now let me share few more informations about Russia. The president is Vladimir Putin. The prime minister is Dmitry Medvedev. The capital is Moscow and the currency is Russian ruble. Heading to our question number 7. HDFC got RBI approval for holding up to -% stake in Bandhan Bank. The correct answer is option B, 9.9. The Reserve Bank of India has given its in-principle approval to Housing Development Finance Corporation HDFC Limited for acquiring 9.9% stake in Bandhan Bank following the Grow Finance deal. Grow Finance, the affordable housing finance arm of HDFC Limited, has taken over by Bandhan Bank in a share swap deal in January. After the deal was announced, HDFC made an application to the RBI for holding shares in Bandhan Bank. Recently, RBI gave its approval to HDFC to acquire the shareholding of up to 9.9% of the paid-up capital of Bandhan Bank up on the effective date of the scheme of amalgamation. The amalgamation scheme is awaiting approvals from the National Company Law Tribunal and the respective shareholders of Group Finance and the Bandhan Bank. The Group Finance deal will reduce the stake of Bandhan Financial Holdings Limited in Bandhan Bank to about 61% from the current 82%. The share swap ratio for the merger will be 568 shares of Bandhan Bank for every 1000 shares of Group Finance. Now let me share few more informations about Bandhan Bank. It was founded on 23rd August 2015. It is headquartered at Calcutta and the founder is Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Moving to our question number 8. Which country ranked first in the countries of startup environment of global countries? The correct answer is option A, US. The United States ranked first in the countries for startup environment of global countries. Startup Blink has ranked 100 countries for startup environment of countries globally. The rankings were based on the data from over 61,000 startups registered on its platform, along with data gathered from its global partners including Crunchbase, SimilarWeb, etc. The rankings were based on the impact startups have been able to make in the country, how many startups and support organizations are there, such as accelerators, co-working spaces, startup events, along with technology, infrastructure, red tape, bureaucracy, etc. India was ranked 17th in the rankings. The US, the UK, Canada, Israel and Australia have been ranked in top 5 in the rankings. The challenge before India is to improve the overall quality of startups and increase the number of unicorns than currently exist. Heading to our question number 9. Which country recorded 695 cases of measles in 2019? The correct answer is option A, USA. United States recorded 695 cases of measles in 2019, the most of any year since the disease was declared eliminated in 2000. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention in New York stated that the high number of cases in 2019 is primarily the result of a few large outbreaks in Washington state and in New York that last year. The resurgence of the once eradicated, highly contagious disease is linked to growing anti-vaccine movement in richer nations which the World Health Organization identified as a major global health threat. The outbreaks in the United States have mostly been confined to communities where vaccination rates are lower than the national average of more than 90%. Now let me share few more informations about United States. The president is Donald Trump. The vice president is Mike Pence. The capital is Washington. The currency is United States dollar and the national language is English. Heading to our last question, question number 10. Which of the following mission of NASA recently recorded marsquake, a quake on a planet Mars? The correct answer is option D, InSight and Marco. NASA's InSight mission has recently recorded marsquake, a quake on the planet Mars, perhaps caused by land tides or volcanic eruptions. It is believed to be the first marsquake ever detected. It has been observed that Mars is still seismically active. Mars is not nearly as geologically active as Earth and lacks tectonic plates. Researchers are still analyzing the data as well as 3 other even fainter seismic signals detected since mid-March. By analyzing marsquakes, scientists hope to learn more about how rocky planets are formed. Now let me share few more informations about InSight. Interior exploration using seismic investigations, geodesy and heat transport is InSight. The mission type is Mars lander. The operator is NASA JPL. The launch date is 5th May 2018. InSight mission is a robotic lander designed to study the deep interior of the planet Mars. To conclude this session, here comes the question of the day. NABARD was established on the recommendations of Dash. Try to answer the question and drop your answer in the comment box. Okay friends, that's for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you find the information provided in our video useful, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us regularly to stay updated on current affairs. Dear friends, are you looking for a job? End your search now. Visit fresherslife.com, the next generation of placement network. Register yourself today and get placed in top companies. Until then, this is Freshers Life signing out from Current Affairs video. Take care.